I'm David Lamb. I'm the EPMS and Automation Business Development Director. Vertiv is a global manufacturing organization that manufactures components from grid to chip. We serve critical infrastructure technologies and rapid deployable customized solutions to meet specific business requirements and needs.
I'm Simon Killen. I'm the Group Director for Vertiv's EPMS and Automation business. We focus on making sure important technologies from data centers to communication networks run without a hitch. Our EPMS group is a business unit within Vertiv that specializes in delivering and integrating monitoring, control, and automation solutions designed to increase reliability and efficiencies, making sure businesses can keep going with no downtime. We've worked across 45 countries and delivered solutions equal to 6 gigawatts worldwide.
Facing the challenge of ensuring uniformity across our diverse global operations, which include various offices and manufacturing plants with distinct assets, manufacturers and vendors, we sought a solution that could be deployed universally without vendor restrictions. We opted for Ignition Edge paired with Ignition 8.1 and Perspective modules to enable a seamless global deployment and enhanced visualization, reporting and monitoring across all our sites. Acknowledging the invisibility of electrical monitoring and power management in today's digital age, we utilize Ignition to make these processes visible. This approach helped in internal and external engagement and evolved our system into a vital sales enablement tool. It now serves as a centralized platform for interactive demonstrations and live system showcases, offering insights into the functionality and benefits of our solution. Additional to our own operations, we included the addition of data centers, which you can see from this drop-down menu, and associated packages which individually enable a data center to operate. Here is a single-line representation of a data center's electrical network. Critical electrical substations transmit power to switchgear, which then distributes power throughout the data center. We created different views to highlight our manufacturing and visualization capabilities, but ultimately enhance situation awareness. Our single line diagrams are built using coordinate containers and use an SVG for each line in a diagram. With this approach, we can build out the whole diagram and then have individual control of each segment. We can then drive line animation with Ignition expressions, updating the color of the segments as data changes in real time. Leveraging Ignition's expression language, we drive the line animations and color changes in response to real-time data updates. For instance, a line might change color to indicate the flow of current, a breaker state, or an alarm condition. If desired, the device, such as a breaker, relay, or meter, can be interrogated further by clicking on your chosen device. By clicking on the device, we can see its alarms and statuses. And unhiding the bottom banner provides an illustration of high-level alarms for the area you are navigating within. For handling very large single-line diagrams, we utilize the pan and zoom component. This is a powerful tool that allows for smooth navigation and detailed examination of extensive system layouts, ensuring that operators can easily focus on specific areas without losing the context of the overall system. By incorporating this component, we enhance the user experience, making it more efficient to interact with complex diagrams and empowers the operators to make the best decisions with the available info. We created custom JavaScript and used 3D modeling software to develop both 3D and different elevation views. Our elevation views offer a great middle ground between the single line diagrams and the 3D view, providing most of the functionality of 3D view, but with less development time. These work much like the single line diagram view, but require the creation of SVGs of this switchgear to be created. These elevation views serve as a valuable intermediary between traditional single line diagrams and full 3D models. It provides local and remote operators a more realistic and visually informative representation of the switchgear compared to schematic single line diagrams. The color scheme and layout closely resemble the actual equipment, aiding in identification and understanding. Outstations are often strategically installed across a data center facility. Local HMIs provide single-line overviews that allow operators to interrogate field devices upstream of electrical networks such as switchgear or downstream into data halls such as racks and PDUs, therefore providing the full grid-to-chip visibility spectrum. We achieve this by leveraging Ignition Edge with Perspective module and intelligent devices such as PLCs and RTUs, all contained within our outstation, pull and collect the data within the field. The MQTT and the IEC 61850 modules were essential for messaging protocol and substation automation and control. The ability to communicate locally through IEC 61850 created an additional level of resiliency for our customers and local operators. Data centers house sensitive electric equipment, and electrical networks can be subjected to unforeseen circumstances. We therefore thought it would be important to develop a simulator that enabled safe offline testing and to prove concepts such as the addition of new equipment, plan for maintenance, or enhanced sequence of operations for control and automation. Depending on the client's specification and design, we can develop the concept within our lab, apply to this platform, and test to understand the behavior. Any modifications and tweaks that can be applied if necessary before transferring to a live site. Here you'll see we developed a microgrid dashboard to manage various energy sources and address the high energy demand. This tool benefits businesses and communities by allowing them to monitor renewable energy production, track factory energy usage, store excess in batteries, or feed it back to the grid. Today, many organizations and businesses, local communities benefit from microgrids, and this is just an example of how an illustration could work. In electrically intensive facilities, minimizing downtime is crucial. Backup power solutions like UPSs and generators play a vital role. Ignition software interfaces with these systems, ensuring they're healthy and ready for use. By creating manufacturer-specific user-defined templates, UDTs, deployments become faster and more scalable. Overall, Ignition simplifies backup power management and enhances reliability. Data centers not only require huge amounts of power, but also generate huge amounts of heat and humidity. Here you can see an illustration of our cooling units and its application to a data center. Intelligent controllers are embedded with the asset, and local IPCs collate multiple assets. With Ignition Edge, we can monitor the data at this high level, whilst at the same time an operator can locally achieve operational outcomes to ensure the asset is performing optimally and reliably. With all this data and visibility, communication and notification are paramount. Local and remote operators, clients and stakeholders can be notified of impending potential issues to allow them to be proactive in order to troubleshoot and mitigate. For this, we harness Ignition's alarm notification module to create bespoke alarm management solutions. We tailor alarm pipelines, scripts, and even custom sounds to align to the client's unique assets, priorities, maintenance schedules, and commissioning phases. This ensures teams receive the right information at the right time and in the most effective way possible, minimizing downtime but maximizing operational efficiency. With data ever growing, we adopt Ignition's Tag Historian, SQL Bridge, and reporting module to help support the management of this. Logging of alarm data for root cause analysis and alarm system effectiveness allows for continuous improvement and innovation.
In conclusion, our central platform has proven invaluable, successfully visualizing our products and serving as an accessible digital twin. This innovative approach has facilitated a deeper understanding and connection between our physical and digital assets and laid a strong foundation for future development. For internal stakeholders or external visitors, the platform ensures that anyone can instantly draw parallels between our physical infrastructure and the Ignition platform, regardless of their location worldwide. This versatility extends its utility beyond just visualization, making it an essential tool for training new talent and providing a secure development environment for our customers.